Hi guys, today we playing nothing. Roblox. No. I'm not a fairy. Okay. So where is the shooter? Wow, guys. We find murder mystery. I'm finding the game. I'm finding the game, guys. I don't know where I play now. Yup, it's very boring. I'm gonna play murder mystery. Murder MM2. Sigma. Jinx. I'm not a fairy. Like XD1. Ito fairy. Where's everyone? Wow, you are me. Ow! He's dead. But just yeah. Why? Guys, how do we start the game? Let's go speculate. Ooh, sheriff. This guy is hiding. She looking sus. Yup, she is the Badeline Aray. Mo pakap. Si Toronto 2017. Siya yung murderer. And yeah, I'm speaking Tagalog. Now she's victory. Why? Nah, it's time. It's time to play. Wow, respond. Cannot. Yep, let's remove this. I am the queen of the powerful world. The power of murder mystery. Ah! Okay. Bro, we'll just start the video already. Bro, this is so bagaw. PSB mode. Oh my god, I have to survive. I don't trust anybody except for that guy. Why I'm on the why is that there, guys? I will run. Oh my god, I can see her. Oh my god. Dapat nakikita. Wow! Sabi yung murderer, siya yung murderer. Ikaw yung murderer. Ay, wag na. Di na kayo niya. Diyan pala yung bathroom. May sas dito, guys. May looking sas. Wow! Yun na naman yung murderer. Alam ko murderer yan. Saan yung elevator? Ayun naman, sira ata. Okay, guys. I cannot speak English. Cause wow, won't jump, so I cannot get murderer. Why I not collecting coins? She's a what? May Mandela effect. I don't try. Ash. Yep, I told her she's a murderer. I don't trust that guy, by the way. Why I cannot? This is a bug. No, I'm dead. It's so laggy. Victory. Why so laggy? I cannot even. What the heck? What just happened? When I am I'm 2% up. Let's go because very quick. So Christmas tayo. Pamasko. How to say Merry Christmas when it's 2027? Pamasko po when you are in English. If you have a Filipino friend, say Pamasko. Wow, I'm gonna run there, run because I don't trust you. It's time to crack their ankles. Yep, she's the sheriff. Why she's got lucky and me just always innocent. Wow, wow, she's the murderer. She's the murderer again, 2 times. Meow. Why? Oh my god, crack ankles. Crack ankles. Crack ankles. Crack ankles. Crack. No! Victory! Big! How do I keep losing, by the way? I'm so angry. Oh my god. So hard. No, let's go factory. Start the game, losers. Start the game. Start the game. Start the game. L is for losers. Bye. Like and sub. I'm Sheriff. Huwag ka lumapit. Subukan mo lumapit sa akin. Barilin ko kayo talaga. Sino yung murderer? Alam ko. Hanggang muna ako.
Huwag ka daw nakadapa.
Oh my god. Takot. Takot talaga. Sino ba yung murderer? Ito pala yung sewer. Ang galing.
Walang ayos ang bahay.
Amsas. No! I die! Goodbye guys. See you part 2. Bye. Okay, let's play another game. It's boring.
Daming reklamo sa sapatos. Pero
Okay, let's play evade now because I have not played this for 2 years.
kaya
I think on 2023 I play this game. Wala. Okay, why is not Where's the mic? I think this is the mic. Hello? This is the mic or not? Or the volume is the mic? Hello? This is the mic. Hello? The mic. Hello? Ew.
Sunsun.
Choo! Choo! Choo!
Ulo niya hanggang
Okay,
pa sa
part 2. Bye.